t-shirt, like maybe a small for a t-shirt. Now, that's brand new. I took the tag off in the store with the lady. She had to clip it and take the thing off of it. That, you know, where you can get out the store without it humming.
Oh, yeah.
But I need just a blouse. I can't see you in these things. Like a blouse, you know, like just a blouse. I gotta get this thing back. He wants this back, and that's not my size.
Whose shirt is that?
She's a doctor, so I figured I told her what to do, and she went back there in the warehouse area, up over in the boutique section, and bought that and picked that out. So I figured, could I get a like a small, like some kind of anything there now, like a lady's small, thin, something thin.
I don't have anything.
It's too high.
Whose shirt is it?
No, that's for your wife.
No, Dad.
Oh, no, I bought it for him for like Thanksgiving. And I figured, no, this one's for her. And I've given out presents, but then I figured, no, I just left this small. Maybe you have something? Maybe
Not
this-
right now, I
Do you have
don't.
like a t-shirt? I could have a t-shirt?
I don't have right now.
Can
Right
you
now.
take a t-shirt?
I don't. Not right
Like,
now.
do you have a cup of coffee? Maybe I can have.
No.
Just a small cup with my little grounds or something
don't-
like that?
I don't.
Do you have tea?
Hold on. Let me see
Okay,
if I
all
got
right.
some.
And then just get a t-shirt, some kind of rag thing.
Okay, hold on. These coffee grounds. I'm about to go give it to her. She bang. Okay.
Thank you, dear. And can I have one t-shirt so I can put something on for my bus?
I don't have.
Please, I got a bra, but I mean, like, just something like, you know, like something to suction the chest, because I had the bust operation. You know, like when they do the enlargements, but what they did was they reduced them because I was too fat in the chest.
You weren't fat.
And then they breast pumped it. Just one t-shirt?
No, that's
You
all
don't
I
have
have is
anything
the
like
coffee
that?
grounds. Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Bye-bye.
All right, I'm gonna have to get stuck putting something on, like maybe a blue, but they're so thick. I have 3 shirts, but I was giving him just one. I have to put 2, and I gotta shrink them.
Why you always giving the shirt away when you always asking me
no,
for
this
shirts?
wasn't it, though. He wanted this shirt. That's not it. He saw it,
Oh, okay.
and he wanted it.
All right.
That
You have.
was bad.
you have a great
It was
day.
my fault. I know, and so I thought, no, you're going over there to give him a shirt. Now, you bought that for her, because I took off after you said that. Then I figured, no, I had to go shop and finish this up. But then I was over at the mall. I figured, no, I'll go ask it. You know, in fact, I wasn't here. I was thirsty when I got here, but then I figured, no, he might have the grass. I was walking up here when I got thirsty before I got up here. I figured, no, I'll just go over there and give it the boss, but ask at least if he has maybe some old paint shirt or something. Do you have a old painter shirt with some smack paint on it?
No, I don't.
You have anything messy? You paint your house and you keep it or something?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Do you have any old dress shirts or anything?